and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to our video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay for $15. Alright, let's take a look. I think it's just a phone. I don't think it comes with a charger or anything. Oh, looks like maybe it does. So here it is. Here's our micro USB wall adapter. Obviously it's just generic, it's not doing it. And here is the phone. It is a Blackberry 8230. Yeah, 8230. This battery is extremely bulky as well. Now this is the Pearl Flip, but it is an Alltel device. So I have a Verizon and a Alltel one now, and a T-Mobile. So try to do this quick little unboxing for you guys, show it off, and stay tuned for more.